Beetroots, affectionately known as beets, stand out as a vibrant and adaptable vegetable, celebrated for their distinctive earthy flavor and aroma. Renowned as a superfood, beets boast a wealth of nutritional benefits, earning them a prominent place on the plate. Beyond their visually striking appearance, beets offer a treasure trove of essential vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds, each brimming with potential medicinal properties. This nutritional powerhouse not only enhances the culinary experience but also contributes to overall health and well-being. Beetroot is rich in essential nutrients such as iron, folate, magnesium, manganese, copper, vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium. This makes beetroots exhibit many health benefits. We will explore 8 of these in this video. 1. Reducing high blood pressure. Beets have garnered considerable attention for their remarkable potential to reduce elevated blood pressure levels, a prominent risk factor for heart disease. Several studies suggest that beetroot juice consumption can lead to a significant decrease in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure readings. Notably, the impact appears to be more pronounced on systolic blood pressure, representing the pressure exerted when the heart contracts, compared to diastolic blood pressure, which reflects the pressure during heart relaxation. Additionally, it's worth noting that raw beets may exert a more robust effect in this regard compared to cooked ones. It's important to recognize that while beets can temporarily lower blood pressure, their effects are not sustained indefinitely. To reap the long-term heart health benefits, consistent consumption of beets is necessary. Incorporating beets into your regular diet allows for the ongoing maintenance of optimal blood pressure levels and supports overall cardiovascular wellness. Consistency is key. 2. Reducing cancer risk. In a comprehensive review of studies conducted in 2019, it was revealed that specific compounds found in beets possess the remarkable ability to interfere with cancerous mutations within cells. Among these compounds, betalain stands out as a particularly potent agent. Betalain, an antioxidant and pigment responsible for imparting the vibrant red or yellow hues to beets, demonstrates promising anti-cancer properties. By disrupting cancerous mutations at the cellular level, these compounds found in beets offer potential avenues for combating cancer and preventing its progression. This highlights the significant role that dietary factors, such as the consumption of beets, can play in supporting overall health and wellness. 3. Good for diabetics. Beets boast an array of health-promoting compounds, including the antioxidant alpha-lipoic acid, which holds potential benefits for managing glucose levels and enhancing insulin sensitivity. In a thorough review of studies conducted in 2019, researchers investigated the impact of alpha-lipoic acid on diabetic neuropathy symptoms. Their findings revealed that both oral and intravenous administration of alpha-lipoic acid supplements resulted in a reduction of peripheral and autonomic neuropathy symptoms among individuals with diabetes. Incorporating beets into one's diet may thus offer potential advantages in diabetes management and neuropathy symptom alleviation. 4. Improving brain functions. As individuals age, mental and cognitive faculties naturally experience a decline, potentially heightening the risk of neurodegenerative conditions such as dementia. Fortunately, the nitrates present in beets offer a promising avenue for enhancing brain function. By facilitating the dilation of blood vessels, these compounds promote increased blood flow to the brain, thereby bolstering cognitive performance. Of particular significance, research has demonstrated that beets can augment blood flow to the frontal lobe of the brain. This region is closely associated with advanced cognitive functions, including decision-making and working memory. This and other findings underscore the cognitive benefits of incorporating beets into one's diet, offering a natural and accessible strategy for promoting brain health and function, particularly among aging populations. 5. Improving digestive health. Beets are a rich source of fiber, with 1 cup containing approximately 3.4 grams. This dietary component plays a crucial role in digestive health by bypassing digestion and reaching the colon, where it serves as fuel for beneficial gut bacteria and contributes to the formation of bulky stools. The promotion of digestive health through adequate fiber intake can help regulate bowel movements, preventing common issues such as constipation. Additionally, fiber has been associated with a reduced risk of inflammatory bowel disease, IBS, and diverticulitis, further highlighting its importance in maintaining gastrointestinal wellness. Beyond its immediate digestive benefits, fiber has far-reaching implications for overall health. Numerous studies have linked sufficient fiber intake to a decreased risk of chronic diseases, including colon cancer, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. By incorporating fiber-rich foods like beets into your diet, you can actively support your body's long-term well-being and reduce the likelihood of developing these serious health conditions. Increasing athletic performance, fighting erectile dysfunction, and fighting inflammations are some of the important reasons why you should add beetroot to your diet. Continue enjoying your beetroot for your optimum well-being.